Now we all know fuel prices are through the roof, but we don't want that stopping us from going out and exploring this great country. So today, I've got a couple of tips to make your rig more fuel efficient. Let's start with the most important, tyre pressure. You want to maintain the correct tyre pressure as this ensures smoother movement and less energy loss, resulting in further kilometres from your tank of fuel. Next, you want to reduce your weight when packing and not bring unnecessary gear. I've actually removed my awning. The forecast is clear, thank goodness, and genuinely we like to cook on our Weber, but I've left that at home and I'm going to be using my lightweight cooker. Now, up on top of your car, you want to minimise your wind drag. So I've actually taken my shovel from the top and put it in the trundle drawer, keeping the rooftop tent nice and clean. Most modern vehicles have cruise control, so you need to use this where appropriate because it'll help you maintain a steady speed and steady fuel economy. If your car has an eco mode, use this too. This will actually soften the throttle response and prioritise fuel efficiency. Well, there's a few tips to hopefully help you save some fuel this holidays. Hopefully you get out, enjoy it, and have some BCFing fun.